Hey guys, this is Mark at Short Action Customs. I'm just going to do a super quick demonstration on how to install the final scope level onto your multi-base. We're going to start by pulling off our modular barrel vise. 3/16 Allen wrench quickly looses that up. Next, we need to remove these two 1/2-13 bolts, so I'm going to use a 3/8 Allen wrench. It's going to slide right off. Next, in order to get your final scope level on here, the easiest way is to get one of our hardware kits, and it's going to come with this 3/8 by 24 hex bolt, which is going to drop in here and work with your final scope level. So to do that, I'm going to grab a 5/16 Allen wrench. I'm going to loosen up the final scope level so it's not under tension. And I'm going to pull out this center cap head screw. And we are going to replace that with the hex bolt. So I'm going to go ahead and thread this in. And an easy way to know if you've got the right height is we're going to slide it in. And I've got probably 1/4 inch of up and down. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. So I'm going to just thread it in a little bit more. And I'm going to try to get this flat perpendicular to the side or parallel to the bottom to match the slot inside of the multi-base. I'm going to slide it in. Looks like it's a little too tight. So I'm going to back it out roughly 2 turns. All right, so now we're good and we don't have too much up and down movement. Now that we are here, we can slide the final scope level any way we want to. We can aim it any direction. And to tighten it up, all we have to do is use our standard thumb screws that we use normally. And once those get snug, your final scope level is extremely tight and it's secured on here. And what we like to do is we like to take them, put one over here, and we will mount a second one right here and we'll do scope comparisons.